Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is going to be one of my most requested topics, what I eat in a day, balanced Mediterranean or anti-inflammatory edition. Whether you're trying to boost your energy, support your gut, improve your skin, reduce inflammation, or simply create a healthier lifestyle that actually feels doable, today's video will walk you through everything: my breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, drinks, and why each food benefits your body. The Mediterranean and anti-inflammatory eating styles are considered by many doctors, nutritionists, and researchers as two of the healthiest, longest-lasting lifestyle diets in the world. They're balanced, delicious, scientifically supported, and most importantly, sustainable. So in today's video, I'm showing you exactly what a full day of eating looks like, plus explaining the health benefits behind each ingredient, so you understand why these foods make you feel good from the inside out. Let's get started. I begin my morning with something simple but powerful, a warm cup of lemon water. Not boiling, just comfortably warm. It wakes up your digestion, gives your body a dose of vitamin C, and hydrates you before anything else. It's such an easy way to start the day feeling clean and refreshed. For breakfast, I usually choose one of two favorites. The first option is a Mediterranean Greek yogurt bowl. I take a cup of plain Greek yogurt and top it with fresh berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Then I sprinkle chia seeds for omega-3s, add a handful of walnuts or almonds, and finish it with a light drizzle of raw honey. Sometimes I add a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. This breakfast is creamy, refreshing, and packed with protein, probiotics, antioxidants, and healthy fats. It keeps you full, energized, and never bloated. My second breakfast option is for days when I want something savory: avocado toast with turmeric eggs. I toast whole grain or sourdough bread, mash half an avocado on top, add salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon, and then pair it with scrambled or fried eggs seasoned lightly with turmeric and black pepper. It's rich in healthy fats, stabilizes blood sugar, supports brain health, and gives you steady morning energy without any crash. Between breakfast and lunch, if I'm hungry, I'll grab a simple, clean mid-morning snack, usually a handful of almonds or walnuts with a small apple or a pear. The healthy fats and natural sweetness make the perfect balance, and it stops that mid-morning slump before it even starts. Now, let's move on to lunch, my favorite part of the day because Mediterranean meals always feel colorful, fresh, and satisfying. My go-to lunch is a Mediterranean Buddha bowl. I start with cooked quinoa, add chickpeas, then layer in crunchy cucumbers, juicy cherry tomatoes, spinach, red onions, and sometimes bell peppers. I top it with olives, a little feta cheese, and finish with extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice. This bowl gives you fiber, plant protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats, everything your body needs to support gut health, stable energy, glowing skin, and reduced inflammation. It tastes amazing, looks beautiful, and makes you feel full without feeling heavy. If I'm in the mood for seafood, I'll switch to my second lunch option, a simple anti-inflammatory salmon salad. I add mixed greens to a bowl, top them with baked or grilled salmon, sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and a little avocado, and finish with lemon and olive oil. Salmon is one of the strongest anti-inflammatory foods thanks to its omega-3s, so this meal supports heart health, brain function, mood balance, and skin hydration all at once. In the afternoon, if I need a small pick-me-up, I'll go for something extremely light: a cup of green tea and a square of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao. Green tea has antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, and dark chocolate gives you antioxidants and a natural mood boost without spiking your blood sugar. Together, they feel like a treat, but a healthy one. Now let's talk about dinner, which I like to keep warm, simple, and nourishing. One of my staple dinners is lemon herb grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. I marinate the chicken with lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Then I pair it with roasted vegetables, zucchini, carrots, broccoli, bell peppers, whatever I have on hand. This meal is clean, colorful, and full of flavor. The lean protein keeps you satisfied, the olive oil supports heart health, and the veggies provide fiber and antioxidants that help your body recover from the day. Another dinner I love, especially on cooler evenings, is an anti-inflammatory vegetable soup. I make it with carrots, celery, tomatoes, spinach, garlic, and lentils or beans. I add turmeric and black pepper, cook everything in olive oil, and let the flavors blend into a soothing, warm meal. It's incredibly gentle on your digestion, perfect for nighttime, and you wake up feeling light and refreshed. If I want something calming before bed, I'll end the day with chamomile tea or ginger tea. Both help relax your body, support digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote deeper sleep, which is just as important for overall health as the food you eat. This entire eating style works so well because it focuses on whole, real foods, nothing extreme, nothing processed, nothing restrictive. It naturally helps with weight management because healthy fats and fiber keep you full. It reduces inflammation, which means clearer skin, more energy, less joint pain, better digestion, and improved mood. And most importantly, it's sustainable. You're not starving. You're not counting every bite. You're simply nourishing your body with foods that love you back. And that's everything I eat in a day following a balanced Mediterranean and anti-inflammatory lifestyle. These meals keep my energy steady, my mood balanced, and my body feeling light, nourished, and strong. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more health and wellness content, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. And tell me in the comments, which meal should I break down step by step in the next video? A full breakfast tutorial, a meal prep guide, or a complete grocery list? Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.